Good morning, I'm your host, Allie.
And I'm your host, Shy.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is Wednesday, May 8th.
It is National Have a Coke Day.
Do you prefer Coke or Dr. Pepper?
I'm kind of offended that you even had asked me that.
Why?
Dr. Pepper, obviously.
Right.
Today, the journalism class will be visiting the Oregonian.
Speaking of journalism, it is officially time to start ordering your yearbooks.
The yearbooks have been designed by Mr. Saltzman's journalism class and will be on sale for just $15.
You can simply scan this QR code on the screen to buy yours. I hope that's centered.
These yearbooks will be delivered in the fall.
Fundraiser items will be delivered tomorrow at 3 p.m.
If you sold items for the fundraiser, be sure to make arrangements to get the product delivered or in a freezer.
Tomorrow, there will also be a student council meeting in Mr. Saltzman's room at 7:30.
Along with orange chicken and rice for lunch tomorrow.
The CMS band will be performing their spring concert on Tuesday, May 28th.
Please make sure to come and support and see all the hard work the band students have put in.
The band will also be performing at the elementary school tomorrow. Good luck!
The softball and baseball teams have a game at Sandy M today.
Good luck to them as well.
Colton Community Days will take place on Saturday, June 1st at the high school.
There will be games, food, vendors, and a whole lot of fun.
The CMS Suco will be organizing a cornhole tournament.
The winning teams get half the pot, aka the money that was used to purchase or enter.
They will also be organizing cow pie bingo.
Winner also gets half the pot for this game as well.
And finally, selling cotton candy.
Make sure to come check it out.
Mrs. Busenbark is taking the 8th grade classes to the Oregon Jewish and Holocaust Education Center in Portland next week on Tuesday, May 14th.
That sounds like fun.
The 8th graders will also be having their 8th grade recognition on June 11th at 6 p.m. in the CMS gym.
I think it might also be a good time to add that map testing will begin next week.
How lovely.
That's not what I would call it.
Now it also might be time for the fun fact of the week.
Great. What is it?
The average lifespan of a pet cat has more than doubled from the 1980s to 2021, increasing from 7 years to 15 years.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you have any cats?
Yes, 2.
I have 3. Yes, 3. Okay, you're gonna be like, wow, where did that come from? Okay, this will be in the bloopers.
Yeah, you heard that, Mr. Saltzman? Blooper.
That way, shoot it.
Ow!
I pinched my hand on this little, the thing. Ow. Okay, get in here. Oh shoot, the mustache. Ho ho ho.